The Lightstream system has 4 main components: retrofit bulbs, controller, relay switches, and the app. The controller commands all the Lightstream bulbs connected directly into it and any paired switches. Paired switches control any bulbs connected to it. The Lightstream 2 app is used to set up your controller, and with a few easy steps, all these components are paired together to create a lighting network. Setting up your Lightstream system is easy. A single Lightstream controller is centrally placed and is usually adequate for smaller projects with less than 200 bulbs. For large or more complex projects, additional relay switches are necessary. Each run of lights must be plugged into either a controller or a switch and must not exceed 200 bulbs. The switches should be within 50 feet of the controller. Lightstream bulbs come preset to channels 1 through 6. Keep them in order when installing onto your wire. Each bulb has a colored O-ring to indicate its pre-assigned channel. Refer to the user guide for channel assignments. The Lightstream controller can command up to 10 channels, and every bulb can be custom assigned a channel. To learn more about this, watch our tutorial on assigning channels. Assigning extra channels are a great way to separately control a tree or other element apart from your roofline. After bulbs are installed, it's always a good idea to do a pre-installation test. Plug in your bulbs, controller, and switches to verify they're ready to go. We recommend running the pairing process on your Lightstream app both before and after installation. Now continue with the installation of your project. When finished, ensure all your controllers, switches, and bulbs are plugged in and powered up. Remember, all bulbs need to be directly plugged into either the controller or a switch. It's now time to do the final pairing of all the Lightstream components. Open the Lightstream 2 app, select your controller, or to set up a new one, select the option to add a new controller. Scan in the QR code on the back, name it, and log in. If your QR code doesn't scan, manually type the code into the app. If you've already paired once before installation, just run the pairing process again. No need to unpair first. To begin pairing, select Manage Devices, Pair Devices, and Confirm to continue. During the pairing process, which could take several minutes, the bulbs will change to low power red. Once paired, the bulbs will update to green or purple. Bulbs may also flash on and off during the process. Controllers and switches will pair at different times during the process. The indicator light on the switch will flash green once it has been paired to the controller. Once all the bulbs have updated to green or purple, end the pairing process. If you have bulbs that don't pair, you can run the process again. If the problem persists, change the bulb, or in some cases, you may need to add another relay switch to boost the signal to the bulbs. Once pairing is completed, turn the system on. Select the paint bucket to choose a color and watch as your project comes to life. To make the most of your Lightstream system, make sure to create themes and schedules. Watch how in our themes and schedules tutorials.